Choosing a 48-inch range top should be simple. It's just the top half of a range, right? But here's the problem. Every brand makes something different, different burners, different tech, different trade-offs. And no one talks about the downside. Every video makes these sound perfect, but they're not. I've owned Wolf and Thermador. And in this video, I'll break down what actually works and what doesn't. So whether you're renovating a dream kitchen, cooking every night, or you just don't want to drop 7 grand on the wrong unit, this will help you find the best range top for how you cook. Wolf is one of the most well-rounded options. It's made by a family-owned company in Wisconsin, and many of the features we now see across the industry, like infrared griddles, dual-stack burners, originated with them. You get solid burner output, one at 20,000, two at 18,000, and one at 15,000. More importantly, every burner can hold a true simmer down at 340 BTUs, which most of the brands can't match. The grill and griddle are both infrared, giving you more even directed heat, fast response, and less mess compared to a standard gas burners. Wolf offers a French top, a solid metal plate that lets you cook multiple dishes at different temperatures, high heat in the center, low around the edges. But only Wolf offers a dedicated wok burner at 35,000 BTUs. However, like the French top, it does take the place of the middle of the cooktop. What Wolf doesn't have is there's no induction or sous vide capability like you see in other brands. But if you want balance, precision, and performance, Wolf still does just about everything well. If you want more power and customization, BlueStar should be on your list. Family owned and built in Pennsylvania and feels like it belongs in a restaurant kitchen. The Platinum Series comes with 8 open burners, including 2 at 25,000, 2 at 22,000 BTUs, and a dedicated simmer burner. These open burners give you more direct heat, but they do require more cleanup if something spills underneath. You can also add a removable grill or griddle, although they're not as consistent in heating as a built-in version. The R&B series steps down slightly in power, with a max BTU of 22,000 BTUs, but offers built-in options, a grill, griddle, or French top, so you don't need to swap anything in or out. The grill and griddle use standard gas, not infrared, so they run a little messier and don't sear quite as well. Plus, they offer 1,000 colors and 10 trim options if you're customizing a full kitchen. Still, no induction, no sous vide, no smart features, limited simmerability. But for raw power and pro kitchen flexibility, BlueStar is tough to beat. SKS is LG's high-end line, and if you want cutting-edge cooking features, it's one to consider. It's the only range top on the market with built-in sous vide. That means you can cook food in a precise water bath right on the cooktop. Keeps texture and color exactly where you want it, even after reheating. Deal for steak, fish, or anything you don't want to overcook. You also get 2 23,000 BTU burners and 2 at 15,000, and an ultra-low 100 BTU simmer burner for delicate tasks. On top of that, SKS is the only unit that combines gas and induction on one surface. Once you try induction, especially for fast boiling or super low simmering, it'll be a go-to burner. Griddle is also one of the best in the business. At 18,000 and chromium infused, so it heats evenly and wipes clean. And SKS backs all of this with a 3-year parts and labor warranty, but doesn't have a grill option and fewer layouts. For serious cooks who want sous vide and a variety of cooking options, SKS offers something different. Thermador is more traditional, but still competitive. It's part of BSH alongside Bosch and Gaggenau. Its now feature is the Star burner. It's designed to spread heat more evenly than a round burner. More importantly, it sits above the space, so cleanup is easier than a traditional rounded burner. You get 3 18,000 BTU burners and 3 at 50. That's decent power, but not quite as hot as Wolf, BlueStar, SKS. The griddle's electric. A 6-pass element delivers consistent heat but slow response than gas or infrared. And no, it doesn't convert to a grill. Thermador does offer simmer mode, 100 BTUs on 2 burners. The 1-2 free program offers a free dishwasher hood when you're bundled with other Thermador appliances. However, you have only one 48-inch model, and it's a fixed 6-burner griddle layout. If you want easier cleaning and decent simmer control and solid brand support, Thermador is a decent option. Monogram is GE's premium brand and offers a strong mix of performance, styling, and smart features at a more affordable price. You got 23,000 BTUs, 2 at 18 and 2 at 15, matching SKS and outpacing Thermador raw output. Griddle runs on an 18,000 BTU gas burner with stainless and aluminum construction. It's not easy to clean as SKS chromium, but still performs well. What sets Monogram apart is you can set the griddle to a specific temperature, so you can follow a recipe instead of guessing on heat levels. Also has the best smart platform of any brand here. The Smart HQ system connects with Alexa, Google, and even Heston Q smart pans that adjust the flame automatically by recipe. The limitations: no grill, no French top, no induction. If you want good output, a clean look, and useful tech at a better price, Monogram hits the balance pretty well. So what's the best 48-inch range top? Honestly, that depends on how you cook. If you want balance and consistency, go with Wolf. For raw heat and customization, BlueStar. Smart features and precise control, SKS. For easy cleaning and established rebates, Thermador. And for value and connectivity, Monogram. The real key is knowing your style in the kitchen. Burner power looks great on a spec sheet, but you never go over medium heat. That money may be better spent on a better hood or a second oven. If you had a great or brutal experience with any of these, drop it in the comments. If you live in the Boston area and want to see these range tops in person, check them out in any one of our 6 stores.